Stevia is native to the subtropical highlands in Brazil and Paraguay, and has been growing wild since ancient times. The plants were once abundant in the wild and have been protected by indigenous peoples for centuries, harvested for its medicinal and culinary uses. In the 1930s, stevia became a globally desired plant for its use as a natural sweetener. In the 1970s, over 500,000 wild stevia plants were taken by the Japanese scientists from Brazil and Paraguay and were sent to Japan for commercial cultivation and research, causing stevia to become critically endangered in its native growing region. Stevia is a small leafy herb with oval leaves attached to slender stems. Late in the summer, stevia will produce tiny, unscented flowers that bees and pollinators love. These white flowers are often removed before they are opened to prevent the leaves from developing a bitter taste. Stevia makes a great companion plant and grows well with oregano, tarragon, rhubarb, marigold, thyme, and citrus trees. Stevia should be kept away from tomatoes, cucumbers, pumpkin, peppers, and melons. Stevia leaves contain antioxidants and natural compounds called stevioglycosides that are responsible for the plant's sweetness. Stevia cannot be metabolized in the body, preventing blood sugar levels from increasing and spiking, which is beneficial to people with diabetes.